Greetings from Radius Theme. We will use the PostGrid Pro Elementor plugin to create PostGrid layout. I hope you have purchased the plugin from Radius Theme and installed it perfectly. To create PostGrid, we need to create pages first. Go to Pages and click Add New. Add a page title for PostGrid. In this plugin we have many layout. But first we will create the PostGrid layout. Elementor panel will open. You can see, we have 4 types of layout in this plugin. We will create grid, list and grid hover layout, and later I will show filterable layout part by part. Each part I will discuss detail about the layout styles and settings. Now let us create a grid layout posts. Click the plus button and choose a blank section. Then drag the grid layout on front end. Wow! A post grid appears. It looks fascinating and professional. Make sure you have created many posts previously, otherwise it won't appear. Grid layout has many styles. Check all the styles you'll like. Looks like grid layout offers innovative styles. Each styles we can set columns for the grids. See changes in the front end, as I choose 4 column. We can select grid equal height style, masonry style or default grid as you'll like. Align the text from the grids. Now let's see what Query Build tab has. We can choose post source. To fetch posts from pages, posts or any relevant sources. We can filter posts from Common Filter. We can include, exclude, limit posts from here. Type number posts to show from limit field. We have advanced filters too. Then pagination under Pagination tab. Enable and see it on front end. We know limit field limit the posts but offset field will skip the post. Type any number and see the difference. Under Advanced Filter we can categorize the posts. Based on your post, see the categories you have created. Choose the tags you created. Choose Post's author to showcase their posts. Choose Posts by keyword. Filter with taxonomies relation. Select posts based on date range. Select posts order by ID, author, title. Or even date. Sort the post order in ascending and descending. Ensure post status on grid. Ignore any sticky posts. Write a default text for empty page. Now let's see the front-end filter tab. We will have a detailed video on front-end filter at final part of this walkthrough. But for now, see an example like we enable taxonomy filter. A drop-down all category formed. Disable it and it's gone. Set pagination and write the number of page to display. Set links for the post grids. Choose your link type. Enable or disable thumbnail ink. Enable or disable any field on PostGrid from field selection. Enable or disable post date, author, social share. Read more button. Post view count. Change section title style. Choose title source. Header tag. Post title header tag. Title visibility style. See all the changes. Title position. Then post thumbnail settings. Select image source. Image size. Change image height. Image hover animation, like zoom in, zoom out. Select excerpt and choose the type like character or word. Select excerpt limit. Choose meta settings. Select meta positions. To show below or above the title. Choose meta separator. Enable or disable meta icon. See all the changes of different type of meta separator. Like dot, double dash, and many types. You can change position of category. Over image. See the changes on the images. You can enable or disable to show image category icon. Category source. Meta ordering. Set your Read More button. You can edit the text and can enable or disable to show button icon. See the changes on the screen. Under Style tab, we can set margin for section title. Alignment, typography. Background color. Border color. Then set your post title margin. Alignment. Color and background. Set thumbnail border radius. Image width. Thumbnail margin. Overlay style. Then style your excerpt. Spacing. Alignment and order. Now style your metas like colors, spacing. Then style your separate category. Social share. Margin and spacing. Read more buttons color. Spacing. Alignment. I hope you have seen all the vital aspects of PostGrid layout. All the changes we have seen can generate a splendid grid layout. Let's find out in real time. Great, all the settings are well done. Please like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.